Do it again. Do it again, Sophie. Do it again.
Connor, come here. Connor, go get mommy. Is she being silly? Boom. A minute ago, he's in his house and he flipped it over.
Oh.
Can we help you?
Hey.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
I think they're orange.
Hey. Whoa.
Are you crazy?
He is.
Daddy doesn't want champagne, but Aunt Kathy does, but she ran out of the big glasses.
Well, so he can have a small glass.
Well, that's... But Aunt Kathy wants champagne.
He's out of control.
But he doesn't.
Hi. Look.
Hey.
The small one's for Daddy. Okay.
Hey.
Where you going?
Call him.
Connor, can you come back here? He'll be back in a second.